Chapter 3. Why? This poem is about a curious boy who wants to know about many things. Some of his queries are too hard to answer. Come, let's read. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? He wants to know why wood should float, why lead and marble sink, why stars should shine and winds should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why the sun sinks behind the hills, and why the flowers die. He wants to know why wind should come from out the billows' nose, why pop guns should go pop, and why the ocean ebbs and flows. He wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly, why steam comes from the kettle's pot and rain falls from the sky. He wants to know why coal should burn and not a bit of stone, how seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. He wants to know why ice should melt, why spiders eat the flies, why bees should sting, and yeast make the bread dough rise. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try, but others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Word meaning: float, to move slowly on water. Sink, to go down to the bottom of a liquid. Ebb, the period of time when the sea flows away from the land. Spout, a pipe or tube of a container. Marrow, a soft substance in the bone. Sting, make a very small hole causing acute pain. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Why does the boy in the poem want to know all the whys in the world? Answer. The boy in the poem wants to know all the whys in the world because of his curiosity. Question 2. What do you think of the boy intelligent or stupid? Give reasons to support your answer. Answer. I think that the boy isn't intelligent. He is very curious by nature. He wants to know about all the things he doesn't know. This habit of questioning makes him very sharp. So I can say he is an intelligent. Question 3. Are all of his whys too hard to answer? Answer. No, all of his whys are not too hard to answer. B. Find out the words from the poem Why and complete this table with some of these words. Activity A. Make a list of all whys asked in the poem and write answers for each. You can add fun and humor in your answers. Then compare your answers with the answers of your friends. One. Why wood should float? Because it is very weak. 2. Why lead and marble sink? Because they love the earth under the water. 3. Why stars should shine? Because they have nothing to do. 4. Why winds should blow? To make the kites fly. 5. Why we eat and drink? Because we live only to eat and drink. 6. Why clouds cross the sky? To catch the sun. 7. Why the sun sinks behind the hills? To protect himself from the rain. 8. Why the flowers die? Because they don't want to live anymore. 9. Why wind should come from out of the billow's nose? Because it has gas problem. 10. Why pop guns should go pop? Because they don't remain silent. 11. Why the ocean ebbs and flows? Because it is afraid of land. 12. Why fish have gills? To drink water. 13. Why boys can't fly? Because they are not interested. 14. Why steam comes from the kettle's nose? Because it sweats. 15. Why rain falls from the sky? Because oceans call it. 16. Why coal should burn? To protect itself from cold. 17. Why ice should melt? Because it wants to urinate. 18. Why spiders eat the flies? Because they want to fly. 19. Why bees should sting? Because they are in the list of the things that sting. 20. Why yeast make the bread dough rise? Because it loves to swell. B. Now, write some funny answers for the following.